What goes on? What's the deal, gang? How are you? Are we buffering? Why are we buffering? All right. Zoom in. How's everyone doing tonight? Hope all is well. Man, busy freaking day. Good time you think you're gonna have something simple, it just turns into a busy. All right, how many we got in here? I'm filling up, almost done it. I think we should get the show on the road. Look at these daily candles. Keep closing back in range, but slowly making lower highs, lower lows, right? Lower high, lower low, high. Maybe lower low today, we'll see. Or will we change structure on the daily to come back up? Did close bullish, so I'd expect today come up. Although the last few days have not participated in our breakdown, in our expectations. Hold on a second, gang.
What's happening? Somebody hit me out there. Testing 1, 2.
I can hear you.
That's what's up. How you feel, brother?
Chilling. Up 80 pips for the day so far. Hoping to get a little bit further and then call it a day.
Oh, no. What you rushing for? You going to bed? I'm messing with you.
I'm just being smart.
What'd you say?
I'm just trying to be smart.
Oh no. Don't get me messing with you. I'm just talking shit. I just jumped on. I'm in Tampa, vacay, so any little money I make is extra.
Okay, that's fun money now.
Exactly. I was down to the beach earlier trying to trade. Like, shit, extra for me. I ain't doing but sitting here anyway, enjoying the sun. I can make a couple of dollars. I ain't doing nothing. Sipping on this drink.
I'm just hitting my bowl and trying to make some money.
That's what's up. That's why we're here, brother. What's up, chat? Y'all good out there? There you go. Just Reg. What's up, G? You know what I mean? I'm the fella when Rex walk away on the Asian session. Oh, definitely join the vacay, man. Anytime I'm on vacay, I don't care where I'm at. You know, you ain't around the clock. Gotta enjoy yourself. Period. What's these pips you trying to get, man? You on the buy sales? What you doing, man? Don't be quiet over here. I know you only want 30 pips, but talk to me.
I mean, I was in sales earlier.
Okay.
I saw it pancake about you know, if you know what I'm talking about, on the 15.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I caught that all the way down.
Nice. I ain't gonna lie. I'm looking to see if we're gonna jump back up.
I think so too.
I'm looking to see. This area that we're coming down to is kind of where I want to see a rejection.
I thought I was gonna catch the rest of that other candle, but may not.
I ain't wicks, but I'm looking to see if we can take some buys. Again, I am not your financial advisor. I'm just here filling in for Wicks.
I'll let you know.
I ain't talking to you. I'm just talking to anybody who might be listening. Sales anyway, but when the market look right, that's what I'm seeing I can do. Pull it back enough that I think we might be able to switch it up for Asia. We'll see. This the area I'm looking at though. All right, here we go. Let's see who else in here. Santos, yeah. Jay, of course. Looking for buys, right.
What's up, my bro?
Daily close. What up? Who this? I just be talking. I don't necessarily always be on the looking to see who's talking. I be on my own chart. So you gotta excuse me. Let's see. 49.80. Okay, Jay, you say 49.80, but I don't know if you always mean futures or spot. No, 49.80, that's futures. Okay. That's my spot. All right, Jay, we're on the same page. We're on the same page, my brother. Okay, y'all listening. That's what's up. Thanks, Jay. It's so quiet, I don't really know, but that's what's up. I love we all on the same page. That's what's up. What you doing in Tampa? Chilling. I don't need a reason to be out of town other than warmer weather in Detroit. That's it. This is the wife's winter break, so every year we go somewhere warmer. So going back to Detroit, and in about two and a half weeks, I'm flying to Miami with the fellas. Unfortunately, I think Wick said he's gonna be out of town that same weekend, which is crazy because he ain't been on vacation since whenever. The weekend I'm coming to town, he's leaving. It's all good. I already got a whole lineup.
Since you got your account, huh? Hey, everybody that's been waiting, your account's in your email.
Oh, I got one. I've been waiting.
No, you haven't. You've been
I
waiting.
mean, I really ain't got an account coming, but I'm still waiting. So you just throwing them out there.
Yeah. I got some.
Did you get to the gym today, my brother?
What was that?
Did you get to the gym?
I got to the gym, yeah, but now I got craziness going to the house. And
Well, I mean, you know, crazy's gonna happen. I'm just glad you made it to the gym. That's all I want to make sure.
my daughter just went to get ice cream, tried to open it,
Mm-hmm.
and she flung it, and the thing flew somewhere into like the living room and the play area, and now they can't find the damn ice cream. They've been looking for it for like
Wait a minute,
20
wait. And then I got hold on. You got to back up a little bit. She flung what?
The ice cream got like a little cover on top, so she was trying to pop it.
Oh, okay.
And she popped it, she went like this, and the fucking ice cream flew, and it's like it went into like where all the toy bins are on the side, and they're right now digging through like the 20th toy bin. They're trying to figure out where this damn ice cream is. So it's been a good. This happened like 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. They can't find it.
You should tell her, you know what, baby, it's melted by now. Don't worry about it.
No. They need to find where it is, and they're gonna have to clean it. It's definitely melted. But like, I was like,
maybe I'll buy you another one tomorrow.
How you managed that? I had no words.
No, trust me. Murphy's Law. If the craziest thing can happen to it, you're like, are you serious right now?
It's Murphy's Law.
But yeah,
like
I get it.
Just when you don't need it to happen, it happens.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Murphy's Law. I get it.
Just gonna be an early night tonight. Kenny might take this into the Discord, huh? All right. Dude, we got on it. So
well, we might.
4 hour was a nice move down. The rest of the day, I wasn't home for this. Daily was bullish. Hasn't flipped yet. We're forming a bottom wick. The 4 hour candles are still bearish. And until they start forming bullish here, I would look to come down unless we hold this area. So we got this most recent area we broke up above. Now we're coming back to it. Let's see. You know, with this bullish push up before, I would expect us to retest some of these highs. So I'd like to see some bullish closures until we start coming up here. Right, until we retest some of these highs, I really don't think I want to sell here. Yeah, I want a resistance to form, so I'd really want to push back up, resistance to form, and then I wouldn't mind getting in some sells. But until then, I think I want to flow with the daily, because the daily's bullish, and the 4 hour has tapped into this previous level, right? So if we just close below, we might fill this wick down, but I don't want to take any sells unless we form a level here and then we break this. So if this is able to close bullish here, 15 just did, right? 15 just closed bullish. Actually, no, I'm sorry. The break of the low, there's a level here. There is a 15 level here. I wouldn't mind taking some sells below that level, because on every other time frame that should be clean range. On the 30, on the 1. So if we're able to close.
Uh-oh.
Nah, fuck it. Pick it up on stream.
Was that the Grand Wizard? What was that noise?
Put him on speaker. Pick it up. We'll all talk.
Scammers.
He said, "It's my parole officer, bro."
That's funny. I got to check in. I got to check in my bracelet on my wrist, on my ankle.
Should have picked up the phone. Like, hold on, I'm home. I'm home.
That's funny.
Here's the deal, gang. If we can form a range below here and then break it and come down, I'm down to trade from 74 to 53. Until then, I'm going to remain bullish. I think we should come up and retest some of these highs. So let's look for a support to form. 30. Where do we want buys from?
Well, I can tell you what we said, but we're going to let you answer that question, and then I'll tell you what we said.
Oh, you guys already discussed this?
Where you were going, you know.
Yeah, honestly, I would rather come down to these areas for buys. I'd rather tap into the previous resistance we've had, the most recent resistance on a higher time frame. So I'd look for buys from 49.53, or I'm gonna wait for this to come up, create a resistance, and look for sells. Pretty much the plan. I would love to tap into this area, because then I'd expect the pullback to at least 74 for the continued drive down or pump back up. Let's see what we do.
All right, y'all heard it. Y'all heard it first here. Now, what I need you to do right now is find a buy limit somewhere. That's your job. And I'll just come in quietly and buy up to there. Or vice versa.
I'm tired of these rallies, man.
Well, quit eating that shit. Oh, you talking about the rallies in the market? I thought you were talking about like the rally burgers. So that's cheap, man. You know, that's beef you.
I don't even know what a rally burger is.
You don't?
Nope.
Rallies, Checkers, I think they all the same brand.
Oh yeah, we had a check.
Low end.
At some point.
There you go. Same thing.
We gotta check it out. If we come down here, 53 is gonna be a buy limit, 54 flat. I'm sorry, 55 flat will buy limit, 1955.
55. Look at that. Let me look at that.
49.55 will be a buy limit if we get down there. I don't know if we make it down there this session. It's 300 pips down. We've already had quite a drop. At some point, you'd want to start retesting the highs. But I think we can bottom out here for the daily.
I'm okay with 55. Yeah.
It would make sense, right? Look at this
But
area right here.
anything lower than that, then yeah, I got a problem.
49.50. Look at that area where the previous daily.
You got a nice
right?
fair value gap. I know you don't want to hear that part. There's a nice fair value gap down there as well.
You
I
ever
can
see
see
a
that.
fair value gap on this stream again?
No, not if you don't want me to. I'm easy. I'm easy. I know some other people, you know, they kind of get that. So
none of that. I got no problem with ICT, but none of that terminology. People gonna get confused.
Okay, we'll put that on Discord. We'll put that on Discord.
No, don't put it on Discord.
Well, you ain't there. So when you're not there, people start talking about all kind of stuff that you don't talk about.
I just don't want people to get confused. Start doing ICT.
No.
terminology,
No. I get you. That's what I said. Discord is a little different. And then we explain why we do what we do. We don't just say, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm out at 9:30 tonight, gang. It's gonna be a short stream. I gotta find this fucking ice cream. First of all.
Mm-hmm. From now on, you guys go to soft serve.
Ice
No
cream
lids.
expensive. This shit like $10, $8
Nope.
a piece.
No lids. I'm gonna serve it to you on the cone, and you lick it till you're done with it,
there was
and
no
then you
lid.
throw it away.
It's,
That's what
I
I'm
don't know
saying.
why it
That's
got
my
a
point.
lid, yo. I don't know why it got a lid, but it's the one with the stick, right? They hold it with a stick, but it's got a plastic lid on it.
Oh, I get it. I'm just saying. But I'm just trolling. Excuse me. Thing that's besides gold. Okay, no, gold is plenty for me to trade. I don't need to trade nothing else. Don't get me wrong. Gold get funky at times. And none of y'all jumping NQs and all that other stuff. But no, I'm only trading gold. Period. At this point on.
You don't need more than that.
No, ain't no more than that. When gold just gets funky, you just say, okay, it's funky for a minute. But I don't say nothing else. Yeah, Dan, tell them, drop a like, sub, all that. Well, y'all quit playing.
Well, Kenny,
We should have to tell y'all that. We should have to tell y'all that.
threaten you into subscribing.
I'm not. This is Asian. This is not New York. I get a little more aggressive in Asian. I sit back in New York, but in Asian, yeah, I'm like Wix minus 0.5. So as soon as he stops talking, I jump in.
Minus 0.5. God, show me gold 49.63. You're probably on spot gold.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Now before you got on, just said we all looking at bias for the most part. It's just a matter of where.
I want to buy them off the daily level here, somewhere down here.
Well, as I say, I wanted to hear what you said first, since you came in and had your analogy. Well, yeah, we're looking at bias.
You could play sells here, but it's gotta close below here. Because I think any closure below here, it's going to be a very quick drop. You're probably going to wick out of here. The candle from here will probably, if you do get a closure, right? Say this comes down, you get this. The candle from here will probably.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we can take advantage of the drop there. Because I think that's where we're going. Retest previous lows. That's the only way you can do that. But this is the higher time frame, so the smaller time frame is going to have to give you something like a celery play to come down.
Okay.
Other than that, right? Because we have precedent, right? Clean move down, and then look at that bounce out of there. Over here, it's a closure, but I think next time we come down here, we're gonna work out of here. What we've seen, stops will be below there.
I love it. Buy zones. Hey, we're all on the same page. Unless it do what it do. Then we got to look at some more sales.
30's closing here. He's going to close bullish, hourly, no bottom wick.
It's bouncing in our area. $8.30.
No position personally for you before this 4-hour open. I'm only here for another hour. Like to see it. Like to see that drop.
If they ain't taking no decision to the 4-hour close, that's an hour and a half. Away from now.
The celery play down here. 30 celery. 1 hour break at the lows. Look at this 2 hour. Expecting that level. Give me a top wick. Come back up here. I would not mind the sells. You got a nice wick to fill here to the left. I know the level here, but it's the minor level. Yeah, if this can flip bullish here, come up, we can have some sell stops here on the rebreak of the low. I'm gonna have a sell stop. So we have a level right here, higher time frame level. We have the wick to fill, and we have the celery play happening here. If we break that low, that's the celery play. This is the, if we're gonna reject, this is gonna be the level. That's the previous resistance that we broke above. We're trying to hold it as support. If we break it, we should fill the wick. Oh, some heavy breathing right there.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. You know, I'm in Florida. I'm trying to adjust to y'all smoking situations. I'm going from a vape to a cigar to blunts. If I was at home, it'd be all blunts. So, sorry about that. You know, if y'all just go recreational, we wouldn't have these problems in Florida. I'd be sitting here with a half ounce of weed, and everybody be happy. That's
I wonder
okay.
if we get this on the hourly. Maybe we get the hourly celery play. If it closed below. I know business re-breaking down low, coming back down. But if it does so and flips bearish on the hourly and re-breaks the current hourly low, breaks the previous 30. Pretty good. Wait until 9. The setup's there. Logically, it makes sense. Break it to lows, like I said. Low resistance. We rebroke this candle high, right? We had a chance to come down. We rebroke the high here. Instead of coming down and flipping now, if we break that support, volume, momentum, look at where this wick went. Looking good.
So, you need a smoke break? You need to go take you a little time out?
Wait, you need me to
Are
leave?
you ready to rock and roll? You? Just ask.
It's still within the range. I'm looking for a break of the lows here and then a fill of this wick to the left. But I'm looking. Vantage point. That should be partials right there.
I like that area.
this might hold for the hourly. Forex, that wick's already been filled. Okay. Going based on what my chart tells me. Spot doesn't have a bottom wick on the previous 30. Oh, we got one here. Separate charts. They're not identical, right? They're very similar, but they're not identical. With the 1 hour, the 2 hour. Yeah, the hourly closes below here. It's the same idea. Seller play. We just might see a steeper top wick. But we do have precedent for a closure below there and a drive down. To the bathroom real quick. Just give me a call if you guys are seeing this come down. Just be right
That's
there.
crazy because I just said I'm going to get up and go use the bathroom real quick.
We got some people at the Zoom door. At this point. Bunch of 20 pip stop. Right at that wick right there.
I'm sorry, my brother. What you doing?
I'm cleaning the floors, just janitor shit.
Yeah, I get that, but
Cleaning
on
up
these
the
charts.
charts. Cleaning up the charts. Nothing. I'm waiting for this to break the low. And honestly, if we don't break the low now, if the hourly closes below 49.85, I'm just gonna leave the sell stop for that celery play to come down on 1 hour. But if it wants to run up here,
Alright.
we're gonna look for some resistance. 5,005. No sell limit, because I'd rather have some buy limits.
I'd rather have some buys, but everybody knows that already.
Look at this closure. No top wick here on the 15. See if this last 15 of the hourly can pull back. I think we melt tonight. Yeah, I'm under the impression it comes down quite a bit more. What'd you need? Nine minutes. Yeah, we close up above here. We're gonna delete that if we close it below 49.86, which would be a fake out on the 15. Right? It would be 30, respecting the 1 hour, respecting setting up for a celery play on the break of the lows. So that's where we'll be. If we close above here, yeah, we're gonna get rid of that sell stop. Can you wait? When the stop will not be valid anymore, when you get a closure. And we know where it closed. This 2F Pro count has me confusion. Jay's on his way right now. Grammar police on the way, bro. Run! Run! What if gold and silver merged? It would be sold. It would be sold. Boring ass candle.
Well,
If this candle and this candle close the same, just different color, might be a wrap. Five minutes here. Last 5 minutes of this 1 hour. Let's see what it does. What do you think is the most fun you can have in 5 minutes?
that would depend on where you're at and how much money you got.
What in the communist republic is that? Minutes. what's gonna happen next, bro. Do I fucking look like Nostradamus?
Well, if they never saw Nostradamus, you might say you look like him.
Call me now for your free reading. Call me now.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Where's my tarot cards?
You're joking, but I find it very ironic.
Bro,
Every city I go
joking.
to, I'm just saying, but every city I go to, because you know I'm in that vibe right now, I'm out of town. I find these little tarot places that seem to be sitting in car reading places. There's never no cars there. The lights are on. They say they're welcome. There's never no cars there. How they stay in business all these years if you don't have customers? It's a front.
All right, we close above. I'm gonna delete this. Yeah. Cancel this bitch. Don't trade and drive. Wait for your trade to drive.
I don't know where this Pete guy is, but you got to be patient, brother. Obviously, this is not a string you've been on that much. If you did, you would know how we roll. Hold tight. Don't get impatient. Get impatient, go somewhere else.
Please just say what you think will happen, though. We live in your stream because we want to learn, brother. I mean, what do I think is going to happen? No, I'm just going to wait for what I need to happen. Everything else just noise for now. Benny. What are you barking at? There's nobody there. There's fucking squirrels and lizards. They're pissing him off. I'm still pissed at the iguana that pissed on me. You guys remember that shit? One of the greatest videos of all time.
Well, you know, this is America, man. You know, America.
Yo.
They can do what they want to do, just like you, right?
Yeah, well, he got his. I seen him on the side of the road, all frozen the other week. Kicked him in the stomach
I'm just
and
saying.
kept it moving.
That too. Life be licensed. Everybody's gonna get in where they fit in. You're gonna either roll kill or you're gonna be one driving the car. I'm just saying. Watch and learn. There you go, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Just hold tight. Trust me, we got you.
All right, I want to get rid of all these lines. Let's reevaluate what happened here in the more recent price action. Closure here.
I ain't typing. That's why I'm on here live. I don't type and talk. Either I'm gonna shut up and type or I'm gonna talk. I do more typing than New York. Do more talk than Asia. Just FYI.
He's not a fighter, he's a typer. I mean, no, he's not a...
I can't. It's hard for me to get in the chat and be going back and forth with the conversation in the chat when I'm looking at the chart. So I'm in bias already. We already said we wanted to buy it. That's what you got on. So, but I don't want to influence somebody else.
I don't want to get him buys till we come back down and retest.
Yeah, I get it.
Until we come back and close up above. Now, if we are able to ride up all the way to 5,005 here, I'll wait for support and then a break of that high. But right now, I want to bounce off support. I don't want to just continue up here. Any position to come up here will be bouncing off support.
Right, right. I got you.
Right now, we have created the most recent bullish closure, the 1 hour. So we closed below this level and came back up, picked out. I think we're going to be able to get bounce off this area to come up. Things are going to get interesting here. Four hour split bullish here.
I'm just happy with the 1 hour.
Clear the door. My bad. Doe. That boy wasn't even banging, he was stomping.
Warrior. That's what's up. What's up? Glad you made it in, brother.
Gonna be a no trade session. Yeah, I gotta run power too. I'd like to get a trade in. Gonna have to set up in that time.
You said 9:30. You got like a half hour.
25 minutes.
I'm gonna keep you on time.
Gonna be an abrupt ending. Hey, by the way, just a reminder, anyone who's waiting on the accounts they won during the giveaways, all the accounts are now shipped out, emailed to you. So go check your emails if you haven't checked yet. And if you didn't win, keep participating, showing up. Okay, day, YouTube. Shall be.
You got any extra ones to throw my way that just sitting around? I will use them up.
No extras. I got a budget. Just stay within it.
Shit.
I get it. I'm just here to help you out, bro. Anything you got sitting around, I'll take it. 10,000, 20,000, I don't care. I'll take anything. All the scraps. I'm here to help.
Oh, who's trading 14 years? Too loud over there.
He probably said 14 pips.
Who's that? Who's that?
I don't know. I'm talking.
Hi.
But while we're talking and we chill, everybody hit the likes, hit the subscribes, hit the all that, share. Come on, y'all. You know what we do. Get the likes up.
It's definitely appreciated. Absolutely.
There you go.
Help us grow.
There you go. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, while we chilling, just hit it. It ain't nothing. You ain't gonna miss no trade by hitting the button.
That's how we beat the algo, right? That's how we grow the community, and that's how you guys help us out, right? We keep showing up.
It's not even that.
You guys keep supporting.
If you're here and you're spending more than 5, 10, 15 minutes, then obviously there's value here. So just hit the button. Shit. I mean, just keep it simple. Appreciate you, Just Reg. Appreciate you, Nightbot. And told everybody, yeah, we got to keep this shit moving.
Nightbot on payroll.
Well, then I need to go to human resources and put my you say at work. I need to put a
Y'all owe me a 1099.
word. No. It's a term. Oh, what's the, I gotta think of it.
Gremlin. Man, the viewers are just coming in. I gotta run. This is crazy. This week's been tough. I keep finding.
No, it's all good. It's all good. No, we want more than merry.
Yeah, but I mean, they're coming in when I gotta run, and I know, like this physician saying, but like,
Trust me.
life, and
They're gonna be all right.
we're gonna be.
They're gonna be all right.
We're gonna be running longer sessions and more often, but I got this epoch.
They're gonna be all
of my
right.
life gotta pass.
As long as you ain't on Discord, they're gonna be all right. If you ain't on Discord, then I don't know what to tell you. Once speakers get off, go find something else, and good luck. But if you're on, get on Discord. If you ain't on Discord, get on Discord.
Yeah, they're on sessions in the Discord.
There will be some trading.
Free.
Yeah, there will be some trading after Wix. That's what I'm trying to let them know. Get on Discord.
Sam hopping on there? Sam.
I don't know. I ain't paying attention till you get off. But once you get off, trust me, there will be activity. Especially if you don't take a trade before you get off. There will be activity. People are not ready to go to bed. There you go, options. You know it. You need a vacation. Hey, I get it. Trust me. I'm from the Midwest. All that cold, I had to take this is my break. It's the first break. 2 weeks later, I'll be in Miami. Unfortunately, Wilson will probably be gone when I'm in Miami, according to him.
What day?
And then I'll be in Puerto Rico after that. So
What day?
I'm coming down the 6th of March to the 9th, right before my birthday. And the fellas coming down to hang out. I got the Airbnb.
How long you staying?
Kick it, and then we're going to the Miami Heat game.
How long you staying?
I'll be here till Monday.
What day is that?
And I guess at the 9th. Yeah. I think you see you're gonna be out of town the same weekend. We're busy.
Yeah, but what
Yeah,
is
we
that,
coming in
nine,
at.
you're gonna be there 9, 10, what, the 11th? What days?
I'll be here. No, I'll be here from the 6th to the 9th, 10th. I'm coming in just for a quick little weekend from Friday to Monday.
I think I'm gone 4th to the 10th, but I'll see. I'll check.
I think you told me you're gonna be going. Yeah, the same time I'm there. Yep. But that's all good. We're gonna double back. I've been trying to tell you we need to do a meetup, but I kind of slid back from that because I know you got a lot of shit going on. But I definitely want to do a meetup down that way. One of your facilities or another facility, something just to get keep this shit moving.
Yeah, I gotta facilitate a facility.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. That's what I'm saying. Just let me know what works for you. You come on down and do the damn thing for the community. March 6th is your birthday. That's what's up. Mine is the 13th. Anybody who may know anything about Detroit, 313, that's our area code, and that's like a big day. It's like Detroit Day, 313 Day. My birthday. So happy pre-birthday.
Oh, come on, everybody from the 313.
Hey.
I'll be there. Just let me know when Kenny. Wait, Jay Boogie with the hoodie. Where are you from? Alia? Liberty City? Wait.
Like I said, if we can put something together, you know me, I'm down. So all we gotta do is pick a date and I'll come right back down.
They just want you to provide some bud, bro. He wants some cannabis.
You say what?
I think they just want to smoke.
Oh no, well, they can smoke. They don't smoke anyway, but they want to smoke with me. That's what I want to hear. Let's smoke together.
He said Thompson, Manitoba, Canada. No, he doesn't need.
Oh
you
no,
to
I
smoke.
ain't. No. You need
Why,
me
in
to smoke. There's a
Detroit, that's
problem where
right
you live
there,
at.
bro. You can literally just go. It's right there. Not far.
We got a few spots right there in Ontario and Windsor that we tap right there. Port Huron and all that. So, I've been in Niagara Falls, but I have not been to, well, I take that back. I've been to Toronto once. My buddy had a couple of strippers that he was dating, and he wanted me to shoot in Toronto with him. So I said, hey, you can't twist my arm. That's in the story. That's all I'm going to tell.
I wonder if we can form a
We're in and
resistance here. I want a bearish closure. If we're going to retest the lows, right? We have this level here. Tapped into it. Look at this 2-hour candle. Just begging to come down here. Doesn't have a bottom wick. Makes sense with the previous hourly. Right, we don't really have a bottom wick here. We want to drive up off support, so we want to get down to at least 49.80.
Ah, see, now you get into what we were talking about earlier.
Yeah, that's well. You're gonna take a limit order when I'm not here. That's the thing.
I ain't taking nothing. I'm already in. I don't know what they're gonna do. I'm just saying. We talked about that same spot before you got on. You know, but yeah, I get it.
How did that 15 close? Okay. If we can break the high of the previous candle, have a sell stop. We can come up here or get up there, right, to this resistance. Because this candle doesn't have a top wick. I want to give it a chance to take that top wick and then break it loose.
What is it? Unknowing BMB 1415. If you join the Discord, it's free. And once you in the Discord, you will see a point where there's a live stream. Probably no one over there right now, but if we get off early and we decide to keep trading, if you go on there, you'll start seeing the streams pop up live on there, and you'll know we're on there doing our thing. Or somebody.
No limits here, gang. This is the flip of the candle here. We might just build a wick down on this 2 hour. Get interesting. Well, that idea off of here is gone because this is where we want that sell. We just wanted a top wick here first. All right. Bit of a top wick. We break out of highs and then back down. Fuck is drifting over there?
Yeah, these little hot ride cars down here. You know, man, in the Midwest, we driving big ass Suburbans, SUVs, all this shit. All these little high ride cars, they sound good and they revving. Okay, there go another one.
Sound like you want one.
No, give me the big body shit. I'm from Midwest. I don't play with little shit. Give me a big ass Yukon or Navigator or some shit like that. Expedition, something I can just sit back and be like, yeah, okay. Rev on, nigga. Excuse my language. I used to be a no limit soldier. That's funny. You was some no limit soldier, that means you had to been at the Versus in Vegas.
Hey Nate, I saw your message, and Ricardo. Check the email that you sent to me. That's where they went. If you don't have them right now, well, you don't even got to get back to me. I'll tell them to double check the email that you sent me and make sure it's the one. You didn't make a mistake. I literally just copy and pasted. But if it's not, fix it. If it is, then I'll be doing it. I'll be checking on my end. But from what I know, from about an hour and a half ago, all accounts have been sent out. But I'll double check, of course.
D. Drizzler, where you from? Used to be known as a soldier. I'm just curious. Oh, from LA. That's what's up. No problems. I was just curious. Pip down the west side. You know, Pip down there, aren't you from like Africa somewhere? Seven Mile. You clowning? 7 Mile West City. Ain't Detroit. What's 7 Mile? For real, for real. Oh, okay. My man. Cash Tech. Oh, you clowning now. Wow, you from the D. That's what's up. Shout out to Cash Tech. That blows my mind. I never would have thought you had even know where Detroit was on the map. Mine's on silver. We ain't doing silver, brother. I ain't mad at you. Put it out there because some people might be looking. No problems. We ain't doing silver. We got to hook up for real. If you were still in Metro Detroit, we definitely got to hook up. And my boy Rich, we all got to hook up. Representative D. Pimp Dante, you ain't liking for no money. So me getting around a lot, yes, you're right. But ain't no excuse why you can't do it either. Real talk. Detroit ain't but so big, ain't but so much going on. You got to get out of town and do something. But we got a lot going on, though, if you tapped in. Don't get me wrong. That's what's up. I'm glad I found that out, though. I had no idea. We're going to hook up. I promise you. All right, y'all, we got a couple minutes, man. Shout out where y'all from. We're just killing some time real quick. We're all a community. We all come from different locations, and it's all good. My thing is, we need to always make sure when you go out of town, there's somebody in town that you know. I don't care if you're Australia, I don't care wherever it is. We're all from around the world. We should always make sure when somebody tapping into town, somebody should be able to hand that brother or that sister a hand and say, hey, this is where you need to go, or let me come hook up with you. Let's have dinner, lunch, chop it up. Real. We're only as strong as our base. There you go. Portugal. Okay. Canada, I love Canada. It's our neighbors. I got some great memories in Canada. Some good friends in Canada.
I gotta run. If you're still trading tonight, I think the gang will take it to Discord, right?
Yes.
I think Kenny will be in there. Join our Discord. It's free.
All right.
Go join.
It's free.
And go get your top 1 futures accounts, by the way. If you hold on, I got a message from. Okay, thanks. It's the same email, but nothing there. All right, I'll double check with them. So the 2 people that didn't get their accounts, I'll double check for you. Everyone else, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I really gotta run. Go to our Discord. It's free. Go join the voice channel. I think Kenny and whoever else wants to, they're gonna be hosting it in there. And,
we'll figure it out.
When I come back.
If it ain't right away, just log in 20, 30 minutes. Something's gonna jump.
There's a maximum of 99 people. There's already somebody in there. There's a maximum of 99 people.
Oh, well, hey, get in where you fit in. I mean.
And yeah, if I get back in time, or if you're still running, I'll hop in there as well. But I gotta run.
Yeah, if you don't, brother, don't push us. We love you. We see you tomorrow.
Nothing much doing here right now, printing side by side. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in New York session. All right, gang.
No, I take that back. I won't see you tomorrow. I'll be at the airport, but I'll catch you guys after the fact.
All right.
Log in Discord. If not, we see you New York, 8 o'clock, 8:30. Log in on the popping. It's Thursday, so we ain't got but a couple of sessions left before it's all over for the week.
Jay, thank you, man. I know it's expired. I know. I'm working on everything side, but thank you. I appreciate that. Appreciate you for letting me know when shit's not running smoothly. Gang, I'm gonna run.
Oh, Jay's not going to.
Love and wisdom to you all.
Jay gonna tell you.
Go to our Discord. Kenny's gonna run a session. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You already know the deal. My time here is up, and just like that, another Asian session.
Peace.
In the books. Later.
Later, family.